Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to your Huawei Band 8. First, ensure your new band is fully charged. This usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to connect to new devices. Now, let's get your band paired. Open the Huawei Health app on your phone. Look for the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen, and tap it. Then, select Add Device and choose Smart Bands from the categories. Finally, pick Huawei Band 8 from the list and follow the simple prompts to complete the pairing. Once you've initiated pairing, keep an eye on your Huawei Band 8 screen. You'll likely see a pairing request. Simply tap to confirm it. Simultaneously, check the Huawei Health app on your phone. It should indicate that your band is now connected. You'll also see a clear connection icon on your band's display, confirming everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are a few easy fixes. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 8. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. Second, double-check that the Huawei Health app has all required permissions enabled in your phone settings. Lastly, if problems persist, unpair the band from the app and your phone's Bluetooth settings, then try the pairing process again from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.